Welcome to Rainy Day Foods Cheese Blend. In this video, we will show you some ways to make this cheese blend, as it is a very versatile product. For this video, I decided to use a tea kettle. It will boil the water and make it hot enough to make a thinner cheese sauce. I used about 2 cups boiling water. And about 3/4 cup of cheese blend. Slowly incorporate it, and it will mix up a lot nicer, a lot smoother if you do this. Dehydrated cheese blend powder is a versatile base that can be used to make a cheese sauce to spread on vegetables, or you could use it as a dip. Even better, it is great for making macaroni cheese or other pastas. It is a delicious addition to your food storage. Today, I decided I wanted to make nacho sauce. So, to make it thick enough for my own personal preference, I added probably twice as much powder to my mix. So an additional 3/4 cup. For it to thicken a little bit better, I did put it back on the stove to heat it up. Heat helps the powder incorporate. It will not mix well if you're using cold water. Here is the sauce after it's been heated up and thickened. For me, perfect for nacho sauce. We hope that this video has been very helpful and informational in helping you decide what products to add to your food storage. Thank you for watching.